At IPS, we believe that nature-based solutions, for example, tree growing, are an effective way of taking climate action. Nature-based solutions are actions that protect, restore, or sustainably manage natural or modified ecosystems to address societal challenges such as climate change, food and water insecurity, and disaster risk. Nature-based solutions are one of the most powerful and cost-effective tools we have to tackle climate change, and trees are at the heart of this effort. Trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, helping to reduce greenhouse gas emissions and slow down global warming. But their impact goes far beyond carbon. Trees restore ecosystems, protect biodiversity, improve water and air quality, and support livelihoods. However, planting alone is not enough. The real value comes from growing and monitoring them. Young trees must be nurtured to maturity to ensure they survive, store carbon effectively, and deliver long-term benefits. Monitoring helps us to track growth, measure impact, and ensure accountability. In collaboration with schools, local communities, and several partners, IPS project companies have managed to grow over 21,000 trees within the last year. At IPS, our target is to ensure minimum 80% survival rate for all trees grown. Because when we invest in trees and take care of them, we invest in a healthier planet and a more sustainable future.